YouTube is lying to you. One side says subscribers don't matter, the other side refuses to pay you until you have 1,000 of them. That's not consistency, that's a contradiction. Subscribers supposedly don't matter for getting views, but they matter for getting paid. You can't tell creators one number is irrelevant while using that same number to unlock monetization. Then comes the first 30 seconds. Your entire video gets judged almost immediately. Slow, evidence-based storytelling gets buried. The system rewards whatever keeps people from swiping away. And it gets worse. The algorithm wants viewers to stay on YouTube, period. If your video becomes the one they watch before leaving the app, your performance can suffer. The goal isn't just your video. The goal is keeping people inside the platform. These metrics don't always point in the same direction. You're told subscribers don't matter. You're required to have subscribers to earn. You're told to make quality content. Then you're pressured to win the first 30 seconds at all costs. That's the contradiction content creators are dealing with. We're going to keep documenting every double standard. If you're tired of the mixed messages, subscribe to Voice of Fair Use, because YouTube says subscribers don't matter, but your paycheck says they do. Catch the trap before it catches your channel. If you want creator protection and YouTube policy simplified without the corporate fog, subscribe and stay close.